Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of 6 common cooling system problems and how to detect them. In this video, we're diving deeper into detection methods and effective solutions to ensure your vehicle's cooling system operates at its best. If you're dedicated to maintaining optimal engine temperatures, hit that subscribe button and let's continue this exploration into the realm of cooling system troubleshooting. Regular maintenance and prevention. Taking proactive steps to maintain the cooling system not only prevents issues, but also ensures its longevity. Let's delve into the essential regular maintenance tasks that can help detect and prevent common problems. Flushing the cooling system. Flushing the cooling system involves draining the old coolant and replacing it with fresh coolant. Start by allowing the engine to cool, then locate the radiator drain plug. Place a drain pan beneath the radiator, open the drain plug, and let the coolant flow out. Once empty, securely close the drain plug and fill the radiator with a coolant and water mixture as per the manufacturer's guidelines. It's crucial to flush the system every 2 years or as recommended in the owner's manual. Replacing coolant. Replacing the coolant is a vital aspect of cooling system maintenance. Begin by ensuring the engine is cool, then locate the radiator cap and reservoir. Use a coolant tester to check the condition of the existing coolant. If replacement is needed, carefully open the radiator cap, release any pressure, and slowly add the appropriate coolant mixture until it reaches the recommended level. It's pivotal to use the right type of coolant as specified by the manufacturer to maintain the system's efficiency. Inspecting hoses and belts. Regularly inspecting hoses and belts is the world as crucial as they are prone to deterioration and can result in cooling system failures if not properly maintained. Check for cracks, leaks or loose connections in the hoses and ensure they are securely attached. Similarly, inspect the belts for signs of wear, fraying or cracks. Rotate them to look for any irregularities. It's seamless to ensure these components are in optimal condition during routine maintenance to prevent unexpected breakdowns. If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might like this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Regular radiator maintenance. The radiator plays a game-changer role in regulating the engine's temperature, making its maintenance pivotal. Periodically examine the radiator for debris, corrosion or damage. Clean the exterior using a soft brush or cloth and carefully remove any trapped dirt or insects. Additionally, inspect the radiator cap for any signs of wear and tear. Ensuring the radiator's proper function through regular maintenance can prevent overheating and other common cooling system issues. By proactively embracing these maintenance tasks, you embark on a quest to prevent major cooling system problems. These straightforward yet proactive measures are key to ensuring a resilient and efficient cooling system, ultimately contributing to a seamless driving experience. In a nutshell, understanding the common problems of a cooling system and learning how to detect them can save you from potentially costly repairs and uncomfortable situations. By being proactive in maintenance, keeping an eye out for warning signs and seeking professional help when needed, you can ensure that your cooling system runs smoothly and efficiently. Don't overlook the small signs, as they could potentially indicate larger issues. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to problems can help you avoid major breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your cooling system. Stay tuned for more tips and knowledge on keeping your cooling system in top shape. As we conclude our series on common cooling system problems, we hope the detection methods and solutions discussed in part 2 become valuable tools in keeping your engine cool and reliable. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and may your drives be smooth, cool and trouble-free. Until next time, drive with confidence and take care. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.